Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Are you looking for a reliable solution to view and export Windows Live Mail to MBOX files? If yes, watch this few minutes video specially designed for accurate Windows Live Mail to MBOX file conversion. Let's start by downloading the 4 and 6 Email Forensics Wizard on Windows supported system. Now, run the application and open it. This utility has a simplified and intuitive interface that anyone can use to achieve the task. First, go to the Open tab. As you can see, the software provides multiple file formats and account options to process the task. For Windows Live Mail to MBOX conversion, select Windows Live Mail account, then choose Open Configured Windows Live Mail account. Here, the software analyzes files and folders from the Windows Live Mail application. Here, click on the Windows Live Mail mailbox that data you want to preview in the software window. As you see now, all the emails in the Windows Live Mail folder are listed one by one. Now, click the email to view the message. This way you can preview the Windows Live Mail email message with all the properties and elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. This utility provides multiple saving options to easily export Windows Live Mail mailbox with attachments. The utility provides separate export and extract option, as you can see in the software window. Choose MBOX option from the multiple saving option list. Now select folder/mailboxes for conversion. Then, click on Browse and specify a location on your system to get the final results. As you see, there are many options available in the software panel. So, let's first understand them, and it is up to you whether you want to enable the option or not. The first is Open Folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. The next one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The other one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Next is an include email header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. Now, finally, click on the Save button. You can see the live process of exporting Windows Live Mail files into MBOX mailboxes in the software panel. After some time, a complete conversion message pop-ups on your screen as shown in the video. If you want to test the utility for free, then download the demo edition of the software. It helps you view, export 10 Windows Live Mail files from a folder to MBOX mailboxes. So, open the resultant folder. As you can see, all the Windows Live Mail mailboxes are successfully exported to MBOX format with all the properties and elements. That's all for this video. We hope you get a good understanding on how to view and export Windows Live Mail files to MBOX mailboxes with attachments. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.